Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths with Indar Sinha. I am Indar and today we are going to make math simple and easy. In this video, we will learn about BODMAS rule and simplification. Let's get started. First, why we need BODMAS rule? Because if we want to simplify any of the problem like that is difficult how to start and where to start. That helps to BODMAS to follow the rules and get a conclusion. Okay, now we discuss about one by one. First we are discuss brackets. B for brackets. Here is the three types of bracket: simple bracket, curly bracket, square bracket. One bracket is also called vernaculum. V, that is like any the number is in a bar, like 5 plus 3 bar, that is also comes in a brackets. Okay, second is orders, power your roots, or sometimes we said multi off, sometimes we say off. Okay, that is the order: x square under root x, 5 square under root 9. Then d is a division. You can know that the sign division and divide sign, like 5 by 2. Okay, then multiplication. Here is the multiplication sign, like 3 into 2. Addition we just add on, and subtraction just we subtract. Here is the short form we call BODMAS rule. Okay, now we have the example of BODMAS rule, that is a combined form of all the BODMAS rule in a single question. Now we discuss how to start and where to start. We just know that BODMAS. Okay, simple. First we solve bracket. Here is the bracket part. You clearly uh, you can clearly show there is the bracket part. First we solve them this under the curly bracket, and there under one curly here is the vernaculum. First we solve this. Here 6 plus 4 is a 10. If we divide by 2, then what we get? 5. Okay, then open the bracket. Here is first what we come, 2 square into 5. As you know that 2 square is equal to uh, always take their sign with. Okay, here is the sign is negative, so minus 2 square into 5 is 20. Okay, here is the complete minus 20. Now calculate with 50. 50 minus 20, what's the answer is? 50 minus 20 is 30. Okay, then open the curly bracket. We always solve under the curly. Okay, then what is 20, then we plus, and inside the curly what we get? 30. Okay, 20, then open the curly bracket. What we get in a square bracket? 20 plus 30 is 50. Okay, 50 in a square bracket. Now we have in a conclusion 100 minus 50 is equal to 50 is the answer. Okay, that's very helpful for complex simplification like that. How to start and where to start, that if we follow the BODMAS rule we can easily get the answer and solution. That's very important for in a calculation portion and a complex calculation. Now uh, I have for you another example. You just comment what's the correct answer. If you correct the answer, then I will give a thumbs up. Okay, I hope this video help you understand BODMAS rule and how to use in simplification. If you have any doubt, please write them in the comment below. I would love to help. Don't forget be like, share and subscribe for more easy math lesson. See you in the next video. Thank you.